Hello, slot car enthusiasts. This weekend will be the first Northern California Challenge race, pitting racers from the Bay Area against the group from Sacramento. The feature race will be for slotted Group C cars. The race is being hosted by Mike Andrews on his 4-lane routed Silicon City Speedway. This week, I'm getting 2 cars ready for the race. One will be the slotted Group C Toyota I built in a previous video. Today, I'm going to go through the build process of my Porsche 956, which will be my primary car for this weekend's race. After purchasing a brand new slotted Gunston Porsche 956, I decided to replace the body with a 956 in the Gulf livery. The first thing I did was to remove the interior from the Gulf 956 and replace it with the new, lighter interior from the Gunston 956. When I tried to mount the body, it didn't quite fit. Slotted has moved the body mounting holes on the newer cars just a bit, so I had to do a bit of cutting and grinding to get the body to fit properly. The base setup for the 956 is the same as I used in the Toyota build. Plus, I used my inline setup with axle stoppers for the gear mesh. After a third-place finish last weekend at Dread Pirate Roberts Raceway in Sacramento, I did some testing after the race. Adding 2 grams of lead on each side of the chassis lowered my lap times by 1/10 of a second. I have replaced the lead with tungsten, since it makes for a much cleaner installation. NSR Super Grips compound tires are what I normally use for Group C, and I have an extra set ready for this weekend. I will also be testing Thunderslot tires and have a set on my tire break-in machine today. Along with Group C, we will be racing NSR F1 and Can-Am as well. Stay tuned next week for a full race report. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe. This is Jim Rose for NorCal Slot Car Scene.